Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can insert our SIM card into Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. To do so, we're gonna need to use the eject pin that is of course included inside the box. Then at the bottom of the device we will find the SIM tray over here on the left side, left to the USB-C input, and here we can also find a hole, and we need to insert the eject pin into that hole. Just insert it, and then once you are in, push it slightly so that the SIM tray comes out just a bit. Then use your fingers to take it out completely, and there we go. Over here we have the SIM slot. At the back we have just a symbol for no SIM card, and there we go. Now we need to match the symbol that we have indicated on the slot. This is the way that we need to put the SIM card in. There we go. And whoops, I just took it out, unfortunately. And there we go. So once it is fully in, you should hear like a small click. When it does go in, then you can put the SIM tray back in. This is of course the front side. And like I said, push it back in. There we go. It should go in really easily. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!